Launching a mobile app focused on fitness tracking seemed like a promising venture for the tech startup. Aimed at fitness enthusiasts, the app offered premium workout plans designed by experts. However, early customer feedback painted a different picture. Users craved flexibility and personalization in their workout routines, features noticeably absent from the app. Additionally, the premium content model failed to entice a significant number of users, resulting in unexpectedly low conversion rates. The core problem was soon identified: a misalignment between the app's offerings and customer needs. Feedback from early adopters highlighted the desire for customizable workout plans instead of rigid, pre-made ones. Many users were also reluctant to commit to premium content without first experiencing the app through a free trial or benefiting from flexible payment options. The dissatisfaction was clear, and it was evident that a change in direction was necessary. Acknowledging these concerns, the startup made the bold decision to pivot its business model. The focus shifted toward providing free, customizable workout plans to cater to individual user preferences. Monetization strategies were revamped, leveraging in-app purchases and advertisements to drive revenue. This pivot addressed the key feedback points, offering the much-desired flexibility in workouts and making the app accessible without an upfront financial commitment. The impact of this pivot was both immediate and impressive. Within the first quarter of implementing the changes, there was a notable 35% increase in user engagement. This surge was fueled by the newfound ability for users to tailor workouts to their specific needs, fostering a sense of ownership and satisfaction. Retention rates also climbed, as users felt more invested in a product that genuinely responded to their feedback and preferences. Additionally, ad revenue surged by 25%, a testament to the successful integration of the new monetization strategy. The key takeaway from this case is clear: listening to customer feedback is not just beneficial, it's crucial to the success and growth of a startup. The willingness to pivot based on this feedback led to significant improvements in both user experience and revenue. It underscored the importance of flexibility in business models and the value of being responsive to the needs and desires of your user base. Through this adaptive strategy, the tech startup not only salvaged its initial vision, but transformed it into a more robust and user-centered offering that promised a brighter future.